William Vinson here again. YesWilliam.com. I want to know how well if you don't know how, I don't guess it matters how well. If you don't know how to use TubeBuddy, I'm going to give you a few little pointers in that. It won't be quite as long, but I'm uploading a video right now, and I remember somebody asking me how to do this and how to make it work. So I'm going to make a video on it, because that's generally how you learn things, right? You watch a video and somebody teaches you how to do it. I've worked on cars and all kinds of things and learned it from YouTube videos. So anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit right now about TubeBuddy. Just finding keywords this time. Now you see, let's X out of here, because what I've got here is the thumbnail, and the video's been uploaded, and I've even got my description in there, my title. I've got everything in. I've got a lot of the tags in here, but you see right here, they only give you 500 characters. That's what Facebook gives you. Now, TubeBuddy is this little gizmo here, and it opens up automatically whenever you're doing it. And here's TubeBuddy's tag tools. Now they'll start, these are the suggested ones down here at the bottom, but these only had something to do with the words that I had in there, the tags that I had in there to begin with. Now I can import these with that button right there, or I can go to Explore here, and I can type in a subject, and we're going to talk advertising with chat bots. This is what we're talking about tonight's chat bots, and I'm looking for, I don't remember how many, but it's like less than 100. So we're going to put Explore on there, and you see chat bots isn't too bad. It says poor, it's still in the red area, but it's 16 out of 100, so that ain't as bad as it could be. And it'll come up most used tags over here. There's no related video searches, so there's nothing else. There's no history of this so far, so we're going to have something to work on. Now you notice chat bots, ManyChat, chat bot, social media marketing, Facebook ads, Facebook Messenger, all that stuff. Let me move this out of the way. Well, you can't really see what I got in there still, but artificial intelligence, Facebook chatbot, Facebook Messenger, chatbot tutorial, ManyChat, Messenger bot, Facebook chatbot. So I got those from chatbots. So this all is different than that. So you don't want to reuse anything you already got in there. And you see right up here in the corner, this was the thing before. It says insert into current video right there. Whatever you click in this column, you hit the insert, and it's going to put it in your tags column. So we're going to find some few things, because I got less than 100 I can put on there anyway. So we're going to talk short ones for sure. Facebook bot, Facebook Messenger marketing. Now that's a pretty bunch of words there, so that might be all I can put. Anyway, insert. Now see that? Put the check mark and they're inserted. Now you got to get this out of the way, and you can see where Facebook bot and Messenger bot, Facebook Messenger is on there, and I got 22 characters I can use still. So I'm going to go back to Explore, and I'm going to put, actually let's put something like this, because this has got something to do with what we're doing too. Hit Explore, and we only got 22 characters, so it's not like we can do a whole bunch anyway. And you see the video searches that they use. These are searches that people type in, so you can, you get an idea of the videos that are in the market already. You can look at these videos. Now here's the most used tags. Ty Lopez, I'm going to bet he's a Facebook marketer, Facebook advertising, online digital course, digital marketing tutorial, Facebook ads, digital marketing career, and you can see over here on the side, the most popular are at the top, 36%, 33%, and it goes down from there. Now, anything you check in this box here, if you hit the insert button right here, it's going to put it in your tags. I haven't got but 22 things left, and I think digital marketing will be more than I can do. So we're going to leave digital marketing there. Actually, let's take that off. Let's see, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2. That might work. So let's put that in there. And that might put us at 500. Insert. Come off of there. No, it went to 522, so that didn't work. Social media marketing, we're going to cancel that out. Evidently, there's, anyway, we know that was 22, so that'll take me back down to the 500. I got my tags in here. I got my, that. And it goes, you get to add it to a playlist. This is one of the things that this ain't got nothing to do with. I'm going to put it on advertising, and I'm going to put it on 2 playlists. Then it's got a checklist here in TubeBuddy. Write a compelling title, enter a complete description. Now your description is this part here, and you see you got 5,000 characters you can use there. I've only used 1,741, and the title, you got 100 characters you can use. I only use 28, and the suggestion is to use as many as you can, and use a question. So anyway, we've added descriptive tags. We created a thumbnail. Can't get monetized yet because of I don't have enough subscribers. Add info cards. Don't do that yet. I've added to the playlist. Engage with the video. Promote existing videos. That's done in a different area, and share on social media. Now that's going to happen as soon as I publish it. Now everything's ready, and if I don't have my tags aren't too long, it'll publish, even though it said 522. And see, it published it. Now here's how you do it on social media. Go to Facebook first. Now I do this twice, because one, I'm going to put it in my my story, and it'll put it on my, good grief, quit moving over, just jumping by itself in it. Okay, post to Facebook. You can put something up there if you want to, but it pretty much gives you, I don't know why it's jumping like that. As soon as it gets done posting, then I come back and do it again. This time I'm going to post it on my fan page. Select a share on a page you manage. Come up here to Williams Market and go back down here to post to Facebook again. Twitter. Usually it's signed me out. Well, look at here. It's got me signed in. My Twitter account's under Handyman's Toolshed 2. So if you're ever looking for me, that's where you'll find me. Tweet. And it goes away. Now we're on, get over here to Blogger. I don't know, I got a bunch of bloggers in there too. When it gets through loading up, you can publish your post. Now it's in Blogger too. So this is publishing on all your social media. Then Reddit. And you got to choose a category, and so you got to sign up for Reddit to be able to do this. And you choose a category or community. Now, here's original content. Actually, I don't know if it'll let us do here, but we'll try it. Oh, it didn't do. Because, well, I guess maybe it did, but it don't have. We'll try that. I'm going to come up and post it on 2 posts then. I don't know if it did it or didn't. I already joined it, but I don't know that it took the video. All it did was So we're going to go back and do that again on Reddit. This time I'm going to post it in a community that I know it'll post in. We're going to go to original content, videos, and see it gets posted to 6 communities there. There's 1 million members in that one. Over 1,727,625,084,163. So it's going to a lot of places, and it gives the link where you can go look it there too. And I've already shared it on Twitter, but I'll see if it'll do it again. Well, let's see what it's not letting me do. Okay, let's take that one. There, it lit up. I don't know what to do. It says use the QC tag if you want to take credit for your post as original content. Okay, the QC post. You're doing that too much. Try again in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay. Tell you what, we'll post that down here. We'll minimize it and put it in the bottom. We won't have to come back to this. That was the wrong thing. I want to go to Pinterest, and you got to read up top because you just barely get over into the edge of the box, and you see where the check marks are. Man, I hit Reddit again. I don't know how. Pinterest right there. Now we're on Pinterest. Okay, now I'm posting it in my education because it's not a self-help. And then I don't do that one there. Tumblr, I don't think I got Tumblr out of that. And you can put tags in here too if you want. Don't know that it helps or it hurts, but that's Tumblr. Okay, now the pre-published tools and the post-published tools. You can promote your new upload across all your existing videos for an initial boost. Vid to vid. YouTube removed in-video programming from their site, so that feature is removed from TubeBuddy. Someday we might find ways to improve. Okay, so we're just going to do with the description promotion. And let's put it on the start of the description. 86 videos, how about that? I got 86 of them up there now. So we're going to see how much that helps in subscriptions. In case something helps in subscriptions. It'll take a minute, looks like. And I'm definitely not going to exit out because it's working. And this is the only time you can do this is when you're uploading a video. Other than that, you got to upload another video before you can do it again. Next time I won't have to promote all 86 videos, I think. I'm not going to swear to that. But they already been promoted. Seems like to me it only had to be promoted on one. I ain't got this one divided up into contents though. Not yet, anyway. But it'll be done in 3, 2, 1. Poof, it's done. Close. So schedule this video to be sunsetted at a future time and date. I don't plan on sunsetting it. Schedule this video to be published at a future time and date, as I already published. Schedule updates to this video at a future date and time. Well, I don't know that I want to schedule that neither. Publish to Facebook. Publish a copy of this video natively to Facebook. Let's try that. Nothing gonna hurt nothing. Okay. We're gonna add Facebook accounts now. I have read, sign in. Sometimes you forget to do all that stuff, don't you? TubeBuddy. integrations. I don't have Patreon, Facebook, Twitter. I don't know if I got two buttled. Well, Twitter accounts added. Okay. Just added. I don't think I got Amazon Alexa neither. Let's see if we got YouTube, TubeBuddy, mobile. Okay, now we're back. Amazon Alexa, just curious and see if I got it or not. That looks like a I don't think I got it anyway. Social Blue Book, Magic Links, and Patreon. I don't have none of those. Okay, so we're done with that. We come back over to here, to there. Nope. Yep. Okay. Refresh. Okay, I'm just going to cancel it. I'm tired of waiting on that. Well, look. This is, I forgot what I pushed. And I did put an end screen in there. I don't know if I hadn't seen it that far through just to see it, if it's there. But it's supposed to be there. It can do that while we do something different. Okay, that's all there is to that. So you see how that's done. And who knows if it'll ever get done doing that. So maybe you learned a little bit about your tags. And that was the whole purpose in that, but I went a little further and we found out some other things together too. So anyway, that's for another day. This was today, but it'll be for, and if I check it out, I don't know that I'm gonna do it tonight. Post it tonight. It might be tomorrow, but I might. You never know. I'm gonna do some reading first. So y'all have a good day, good night, whatever you want to call it, wherever you are, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Have a good day. Here we go again.